and gentlemen, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Happy 25th anniversary. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sarili. 31 years when I was tasked to be a leader of our classroom in preparatory dentistry. Siguro it's God's calling na nilagay po ako doon. For what reason, kung ano yung gusto ng ating Panginoon sa akin. And then, given the chance to lead the Student Council in 1999, I became the president of the Student Council.
Ang lahat sa atin in terms of size, in terms of kung ano yung nagbago sa atin, pero may isang hindi nagbago. Yung pagiging humble natin, pagiging mapagpakumbaba natin ay siyang nagdala sa atin kung bakit naging matagumpay tayong lahat ngayon.
You are not just a dental professionals. You are leaders. As I've said, marami dito mga president na ng iba't ibang organization. You are innovators and champions of oral health. But your journey doesn't end here. As you embark on the next 25 years and beyond, continue to embrace new challenges, pursue new opportunities, and make a difference wherever and whenever your path, your foot, your life would take you.
As a teacher, silvers and gold, I don't have any, but you are the diamonds in the life of a teacher. Congratulations po on your silver anniversary. Thank you.